Hops, known scientifically as Humulus lupulus, is a perennial plant famous for its use in brewing beer. However, its applications stretch far beyond the brewery into the realms of herbal medicine, where it offers a myriad of health benefits. In this video, we will look into the growth, identification, and both the culinary and medicinal uses of hops. Growth and habitat. Hops thrive in temperate climates and are commonly found in Europe, North America, and parts of Asia. They prefer well-drained soil, ample sunlight, and good air circulation. As climbing plants, they grow up to 25 feet annually and die back each winter, with robust root systems persisting to regenerate the following spring. Identification. Hops plants are distinguished by their vigorous vines, also known as bines, which coil clockwise around their supports. The leaves are heart-shaped with a lobed appearance. Notably, hops produce male and female flowers on separate plants. The female plant produces the iconic cone-shaped flowers used in brewing and herbal medicine. Male and female flowers. In hops, dioecious characteristics mean that individual plants bear either male or female flowers, but not both. The female cones are of particular interest due to their lupulin glands, which contain the plant's essential oils and acids. Lookalikes and family. Hops belong to the Cannabicaceae family, which intriguingly includes marijuana, cannabis sativa. While they share a botanical family, hops do not contain the psychoactive components found in marijuana, such as THC, and thus do not produce similar effects. Edible parts and uses. The young shoots of hops can be eaten in early spring and have a flavor reminiscent of asparagus. Mature hops are generally not consumed directly, but are used extensively in brewing beer for their flavoring and preservative properties. Medicinal parts and uses. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not meant to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment, illness, or disease. I recommend consulting with a healthcare provider who is knowledgeable about complementary herbal medicine prior to trying anything new. Medicinally, the female hop cones are utilized for their sedative, anti-inflammatory, and digestive properties. They are effective in treating anxiety and insomnia. Hops act as a mild sedative, making them beneficial in treating sleep disorders and anxiety. Digestive health. As a bitter, hops stimulate the production of digestive juices, aiding in digestion and alleviating symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and irritable bladder. Skin conditions. The anti-inflammatory properties of hops make them useful in treating bruises, boils, and other skin inflammations. Respiratory and menstrual relief. Hops can ease symptoms of asthma and premenstrual syndrome, PMS, and are helpful in reducing muscle spasms. Harvesting. The best time to harvest hop cones is in late summer, when they are fully matured but not overly dry. They should feel papery and emit a pleasant aroma when squeezed. Warnings. Hops are generally safe for most people, but due to their estrogenic properties, those with hormone-sensitive conditions should consult with a healthcare provider before use. Overconsumption can lead to excessive drowsiness. While commonly associated with beer production, hops possess a range of medicinal properties that make them a valuable addition to the herbal medicine cabinet. From soothing anxiety and sleep disorders to aiding digestion and treating skin and respiratory conditions, hops demonstrate the profound impact that well-understood botanicals can have on health. As with any herbal treatment, appropriate consultation with a healthcare professional is advised to maximize benefits and ensure safety.